There is no time or space. There is only an is. Allow the new energies to permeate your being. Now we want to speak with you. We are the Brawn. We speak through Nanea. Heed her words. She has kindly accepted to work with us, not for us. For those who have not known us before, we are pure white beings with wings, and we resemble what you humans call angels. We have no races like you do on Earth. We have no different cultures. We all look the same, and we all behave the same. We have no evil. We have only that which we are, and that is to scour the universe looking for planets who are in trouble. We do, however, have names, and my name is Zamiroz. We must be able to identify each other some way, right? We are a collective race of one consciousness. We have neither conscious or subconscious, just one consciousness. We are willing to help your Earth, but first, you must begin to do away with your hate. Stop all of your anger. We are beacons of light. We live within the light rays. We fly to where we need to go, and we can fly fast, faster than one of your thoughts. We are collective. We will be visiting Earth more often now, and you may see us if you are willing to. We choose certain individuals whom have clean bloodlines with other beings from other planets, benevolent of course. Nanea comes from the Anunnaki. She is of clean blood. Look out for us. And this is all for now. Thank you, Nanea. We will be in touch.